all, I'm Gurushya and this is the introductory video for the upcoming video series on Uni-Variate Descriptive Statistics. Uni-Variate Descriptive Statistics is a subdivision of Descriptive Statistics and Descriptive Statistics is a subdivision of Statistics. So in general, we are going to discuss about a small part in statistics. Basically, descriptive statistics is a way of describing the data, the way of describing the main characteristics observed in the data, using tables, charts, and summary measures. We will discuss as well as work it out all of these in this video series. Actually, this is like a tiny course because you will be able to learn things in a right sequence. And all the lectures of this video series will be uploaded to a separate playlist, namely Uni-Variate Descriptive Statistics. And coming to the content, totally we have 8 levels. The first level covers the extreme basics and there are 3 sections in that. The first section tells us about what is statistics, what is descriptive statistics and types of it, etc. And in level 2 there is only one video and that tells us about descriptive statistics based on data or variable type. And in level 3 we will be discussing about descriptive statistics for qualitative data. And level 4 for quantitative data, but the level 4 only covers tables and charts and the remaining summary measures will be covered throughout the levels 5, 6, 7 and 8. Because under Uni-Variate Descriptive Statistics, the summary measures for quantitative data are huge. Yeah, I personally feel that it's huge. So I don't want you people to feel overwhelmed looking at huge portions at one level. And I can't put everything on a one particular level and make you feel, oh my god, how am I going to pass through this level? No one should feel like that. And that's why I made it as separate levels. And passing through each level will be easier, moderate, as well as a bit difficult for beginners. But as you people are pretty smart, I know that you will nail it.